ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to RPM Rides. Today, we're excited to talk about the return of an American icon, the all-new 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air, blending retro charm with modern innovation. This reborn classic is ready to make a statement on the roads once again. Starting with the design, Chevrolet has done a fantastic job honoring the Bel Air's roots while updating it for the modern era. The 2025 Bel Air features a wide chrome-heavy grille reminiscent of its 1950s predecessor, paired with sleek LED headlights. The iconic two-tone paint options are back, with vibrant colors like seafoam green and cherry red, giving the car a nostalgic vibe. The body design incorporates muscular lines, blending classic style with aerodynamic efficiency for a look that's both timeless and fresh. Step inside, and the retro styling continues with a luxurious twist. The cabin is outfitted with chrome accents and vintage-inspired round dials, yet it's packed with modern technology. You'll find a large, high-definition touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system. The Bel Air also boasts a fully digital driver's display, merging an old-school aesthetic with high-tech convenience. When it comes to performance, Chevrolet offers a choice of engines. For eco-conscious drivers, there's a plug-in hybrid option that delivers solid efficiency without compromising on power. But for those who want the true muscle car experience, the Bel Air is available with a potent 6.2-liter V8 engine producing over 450 horsepower. Whether you're cruising through town or hitting the open road, the 2025 Bel Air provides a smooth yet exhilarating drive. Safety is also at the forefront of this modern classic. The Bel Air comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring that you're safe while enjoying the ride. In short, the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air is a perfect blend of past and future. It captures the essence of the original model, but enhances it with the technology and performance expected in today's cars. That's all for today's review of the 2025 Chevrolet. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more exciting content right here on RPM Rides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.